Guys, there's train coming from that way and a train coming from that way. We might get two trains at once for the first time ever on this channel. Oh my gosh. I'm on the other side of the crossing that you guys usually know, so we've been waiting here so long with no luck. Yeah, I know, I see it. Okay, I'll come here. There might be two though. It sounds like there's two because we heard a horn from over there too. So I'll get back to you guys when it's a little bit closer. Guys, it's getting close. Looks like a CSX, I think maybe. Any second these crossings are gonna come down. We heard something that sounded like there might be something coming from that way. So we could see two trains at once, we'll see. But yeah, we haven't seen it, so this is part 3, guys, of whatever I call this video. Hopefully the camera doesn't cut out. Yeah, can you film on your phone just in case the camera cuts out? And we got pennies on the track, as normal. But here it comes, guys. Looks like, oh, it's a short one. Why are there so many short trains today? Literally, look, it's like one car. It's literally like one or two cars. Literally, look. No, it's literally, it doesn't have any cars. It's by itself. That's the second engine we've seen by itself. Oh wait, I think it's 2 engines. Waving to him. The guy's beeping at him.
Yeah. Alright, bud. Careful of the cars.
So now it's a red light. Wait, there's another one coming. Listen. I think there's another one coming. We'll see, guys. I feel like I hear another one. But we'll see. Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully part 4, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see.